My name is Kelsey Denton, and I'm the instructor for interpersonal communication. In interpersonal communication, we take a look at the kinds of relationships you have, be they family relationships, friendships, or romantic relationships. And no matter what kind of relationships you have or what your hopes are for them, this class can help you better accomplish them and do so in a way that you'll find fulfilling and productive.
Hi, my name's Mike, and I'm the teacher for the English support part. All of you who are taking this class have already tested into normal academic classes, and that's great. But it's possible you might have some questions. What's okay in an American-style essay? And what is appropriate in an email your professor? I'm just here to help you sort through all of those questions so that together we can have a successful quarter. I look forward to seeing you in class.